First Alert weather forecast, and yeah, we've had a pretty rainy, chillier start to the week.
Yeah, did you use a sweater? Did you have a sweater?
I did have a sweater today. What a difference.
And in some areas you really needed the jacket up in the Sierra with the rain and snow coming down out there. But as you get down into the valley, especially north out by Chico at this hour, and then you're starting to see a lot more energy. The thunderstorms, cloudy ground lightning strikes happening there. Much of the valley fairly quiet at this moment. We had a lot of sprinkles earlier into the day that led to numerous communities here within the Sacramento and San Joaquin Valley to pick up at least some measurable rainfall, though most only registering just a few hundredths of an inch. So fairly light, but a different story over the foothills and into the Sierra with more consistent rounds of these showers and snow showers for the high country. I do think we'll see a bit more of this continue overnight, because watch what happens tonight. We start to see a lot of the focus work its way down to the south. So by the time we get going tomorrow, it'll be mainly south of I-80 where you start to hold on to residual snow showers through at least the morning and I think into the early afternoon hours, and then tapering from north to south before everybody breaks out with more sunshine. Now Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday will feature a warming trend with continued sunshine. Temperatures will get right back up well into the 80s here in the days ahead. So temperatures today, not nearly as warm as where we've been. Upper 60s where we stand now. We end up close to 50 tonight. Upper 40s, low 50s is where those temperatures will range across the valley before warming back up to the lower 70s tomorrow. So still running several degrees cooler than our averages for those highs tomorrow. 74 in Stockton, Modesto about 73 degrees, and across our out toward Vacaville and Fairfield running into the lower and mid 70s as well. Middle to upper 70s expected across the central Sacramento Valley. High enough in elevation over the foothills, your highs tomorrow 50s, 40s for the Sierra. But then as we get toward, again, Wednesday, Thursday, we start to see those temperatures warm up quite a bit. 86, 86, I should say, on Thursday, Friday, 87 degrees. And then notice the clouds return by the weekend. Temperatures scale back slightly for this weekend, upper 70s, close to 80 on Sunday. Beyond that, we start to warm things right back up. But again, this is going to be another weather system moving in from across the Pacific Northwest down to the south. So I don't expect this to be too much of an issue going into next weekend, but you will notice that drop in temperatures, a couple of sprinkles for the valley, but the best chance for any showers will be over the upper foothills and into the Sierra going into next weekend, although this time I think it'll be too warm, so the snowflakes really focus across the highest elevations, the highest peaks, with mostly rain showers across most roadways in the Sierra at this point next weekend. Temperature-wise for the Sierra looking like this. We're going from the 40s now back into the mid 60s, down to the lower 50s over the weekend before everybody gets back into the sunny and milder stretch next week. Jake?
Hey, thanks, Nick.